เสร็จแล้วค่ะอย่าลืมหยิบหลอด
If you are in Thailand these days, you may have seen this vending machine, Tao Bin or flying turtles. This is becoming a fad here, and I really have no idea why. Well, I passed by today, so I tried out.
โดดเรียกระดับความหวานค่ะ
Coffee menus, tea menus, very normal for me. Well, I can see something interesting. They use a fresh coffee beans instead of instant coffees. Even more interesting, there are some menu like isolate whey protein shake available in this machine. But the menu that surprised me most is the cannabis menu. I mean, how? How they put the cannabis in there? Anyway, what I'm going to try today is what I'm good at, so I can compare. It's coffee.
เสร็จแล้วค่ะ
Well, to tell you the truth, this is way much better than I thought, but it's not cheap, not expensive, 45 baht.